Welcome to my vlog, and here's how to make red velvet brownies. What you will need are the following ingredients. Preheat your oven to 177 degrees Celsius. Cream together the room temperature unsalted butter and the sugar. It's important to cream the butter and the sugar so that there's a smooth texture and the sugar is well blended. Here we are making 2 batches of an 8x8 pan. If you are new to baking and just want to try it out, if baking is for you, you can use a hand mixer like this one that I used here. This is the Flex hand mixer. I had this for like 4 years. It's really still good. Third is to add a sifted cocoa powder and mix it in. It's important to sift it so that there are no lumps. And then add the salt. And then add the vinegar. Make sure to mix everything between adding each ingredient. Add the flour and just mix it long enough to incorporate. Do not overmix as it will end up chewy or gummy, and we want moist and soft brownies. Followed by the food coloring, which will make it red. Reserve 1/4 of the batter and pour the remaining batter into the pan, lined with parchment paper. Some interesting facts. Red velvet was made with cocoa powder, buttermilk, and vinegar. It's the chemical reaction between the cocoa powder, the vinegar, and the buttermilk that makes the cake its famous red tinted color. To intensify the color, we add red food coloring. So in this case, this is a brownie and it's not a cake, so we don't add the buttermilk. Usually you just add the buttermilk when you create a cake or when you make a cake. In a different bowl using a hand mixer, cream together the cream cheese, sugar, egg, and vanilla very well until no more lumps left. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified for whenever we release videos. Spread the cream cheese. Do not panic if you can't smooth it perfectly, but just spread it on top of the brownie layer. Using 2 small spoons, dollop the remaining 1/4 cup of the batter on top of the cream cheese, and then using a butter knife or whatever you have, in this case I used the spatula, swirl the batter into the cream cheese mixture. Bake the brownies in your preheated oven for about 30 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Allow it to cool completely, roughly around 5 to 10 minutes before cutting and serving. It's also best to place it in the fridge before serving. Enjoy!